Dear friends, welcome to my channel Forge Flow Factory. In this video, you can watch and learn how to make a pillar with iron rods. So if you are new on my channel, please I request you to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to press bell icon for more informative videos like this. So let's start the video. Watch till end and don't forget to press bell icon. You can get more informative videos like this. If you get something in this video, please give me a comment and I will appreciate my channel. Friends, I hope you are enjoying this video, so please watch this video till end and stay tuned with me. Thanks for watching the video and welcome to my channel and thanks for watching the video. Thanks friend watching this video and say something in the comment for this video. How can I make my videos more informative and more informative? Thanks to all my viewers.